NOAA weather alerts running right on your device. I created the MeshWX software, and I've gotten good response on that. It allows NOAA alerts on your Mesh device, but it requires a computer. So the next evolution in the process is to remove the computer entirely and run it directly on your Mesh device. So introducing MeshWX Pro, firmware built for the device to run everything on the device itself. Let me show you how it works. To install the firmware, go to meshwxpro.com, then select Flasher. Choose your device and click Install MeshWX Pro. More devices will be added as I receive them to test. Follow the instructions on the screen. Now on your phone, connect to the MeshWX Pro Setup SSID. Then go to 192.168.4.1. You can change the name of the device. Enter your Wi-Fi credentials. Select the states and counties you want alerts for. Choose Meshtastic or MeshCore. Select public or private channel and enter name and key. Finally, select the alert you want, then click Save and Connect. Now, go to the IP address your network assigns. You can find this using the serial monitor on MeshWX Pro. On the dashboard, you can see the status, send a test message, or reconfigure the device. Now you're sending no alerts without a computer.